Hello, good morning children. Today in this video I am going to explain tracing changes through 1,000 years NCERT exercise questions. NCERT exercises. So let's see what the questions they have given. Okay. First one, you are a historian. Choose one of the themes mentioned in this chapter such as economic, social or political history and discuss why you think it would be interesting to find out the history of that time. Okay, you are a historian studying about the history and writing about. And then taking these economic, social or political history, why you think it would be interesting, why this political history is important, economic history is important. Okay, of the time you have to give examples. So they have given examples here with answer. Okay, social history. First one is social history. Why this social history is important? Use of Persian wheel in irrigation, caste, class emerged in society, jati was introduced in society. So use of Persian wheel, caste, okay, class emerged in society, all these things. Okay, use of Persian wheel in irrigation, caste, class emerged in society and jati was also introduced in the society. So this is with this social history we will know all these things. Next, second one is political history. Why this political history? Hindustan was coined by historians. Paradesi or foreigner emerged. So Hindustan, this term was coined by historians. Historians referred that land as Hindustan. And Paradesi or foreigner emerged. These words, the people who comes from outside, they were called as Paradesi or foreigners. That also emerged during this time. Chronicle of rulers were written. So the histories, the life stories of the kings were written. With this political history, we will know all these things. Next, economic history. The third one is economic history. What is this economic history? Spinning wheel for weaving clothes, new foods and beverages arrived. So economic, in the view of economic, what arrived? Spinning wheel. To weave clothes, they have invented spinning wheel. And new foods and beverages, new types of groceries, they arrived. Spinning wheel invented and new foods and beverages, they were arrived. Next, between 1266 to 1287, migrants ruler Balban. Okay, so here Balban, this 1266 to 1287, the migrant ruler, who was he? What was the name? Balban. He ruled. From outside he came and he ruled our Hindustan, ruled India. Balban ruled India. Next, between 700 to, these are all BC children. I'm sorry. Okay, 700 to 1750. In this time, new crops like potatoes, corn, chilies, tea and coffee came to the Indian subcontinent. So new things emerged during this time. So with these all, social history, political history, economic history and these times, all the things whatever happened, we came to know. So this is. Next, second question. Okay, NCERT page number 14, second question. What is the question? Who was considered a foreigner in the past? Who was considered a foreigner? Why? What is this word foreigner? Now itself we are using foreigner means the people who comes from other countries. The citizens of other countries, we will call them as foreigners. But in olden days, who was a foreigner? F-O-R-E-I-G-N-E-R. Who was a foreigner? Here, foreigner. Okay, they have given answers. Foreigner. The term foreigner is used to refer to any stranger who appeared in any village. So, the term foreigner. The term foreigner. The term foreigner is used to refer any stranger who appeared in any village. Who appeared in any village. Okay, this was the definition they have given for foreigner. What is that? The term foreigner is used to refer to any stranger who appeared in any village. The person who is new to that village, they were called as foreigner. They called as foreigner. These words were used by citizens of that place or village to refer to any person. Okay, one more thing they have given, to refer to any person. To refer to any person who arrived for some work. Who arrived for some work. Who arrived for some work for a short time. For a short time. For a short time. And who was not a part of the society. And who was not a part of that society or culture. A part of that society or culture. Okay, this is the answer they have given for the term foreigner. So, see children, the term foreigner is used to refer any stranger who appeared in any village, and to refer to any person. To refer to any person who arrived for some work for a short time. For a short time, and who was not a part of that society or culture. So, this was the definition they have given for foreigner. Next, they have given statements, children, true or false. Let's see. First one, A. This is second Roman, second one. In that A. First statement. We do not find inscriptions for the period after 700. Inscriptions were common every time. So, this statement is false. What he has said, we do not find inscriptions for the period after 700. No, they were there. With those inscriptions only, we were learning history. So, this statement was false. A, false. Next, B. The Marathas asserted their political importance during this period. So, in this time only, the Marathas asserted their power, asserted their political importance during this period. Yes, true. In the this lesson it came. So, it's a true. Next, see, third one. Forest dwellers were sometimes pushed out of their lands with the spread of agricultural settlements. So, with the spread of agricultural settlements, sometimes these forest dwellers, that means the people who lived in forests, they were pushed out of their lands. Pushed out of their lands. It's true. Yes, they have sent those forest dwellers. So, it's true. Next, D. Sultan Ghiyazuddin Balban controlled Assam, Manipur and Kashmir. So, no, this is wrong because Assam, Manipur and Kashmir, that side. But Ghiasuddin Balban, he entered and he occupied central India. So, this is a false statement. False statement. So, first one is false, B true, C also true and D statement, it's a false. Next, third Roman, fill in the blanks. Okay, option E, first one. Archives are places where dash are kept. Archives. Archives means, you learnt in the lesson also. Archives, it came the word. In archives, what they used to keep? They were manuscripts. Archives are places where manuscripts are kept. So, third question, first one, manuscripts. Manuscripts. Archives were places where manuscripts were kept. Next, Dash was a 14th century chronicler. Who was the 14th century chronicler, children? He is Ziauddin Barani. Ziauddin Barani. He was a 14th century chronicler. He wrote the histories of kings. The person who writes the histories of kings, he was called as a chronicler. So, in this period, who was this chronicler? Ziauddin Barani. Next, dash, 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 dash and dash were some of the crops introduced into the subcontinent during this period. So, in this period, okay, what were the crops were introduced? They were asking. They were potatoes, corn, C-O-R-N, corn, chilies, potatoes, corn, chilies, tea and coffee. Tea and coffee. In the first question, these crops came. Okay. What were the crops? Potatoes, corn, chilies, tea and coffee. These were the crops introduced during this period. Next, fourth question, children. So, I hope you understood this foreigner definition. So, I am rubbing this. Next, fourth question. List some of the technological changes. Technological changes associated with this period. What were the technological changes? Here they were asking. Okay. The technological changes are, first one is use of Persian wheel. First one is use of Persian wheel. Use of Persian wheel. Where they have used this Persian wheel? In irrigation. Use of Persian wheel in irrigation. Okay. Use of Persian wheel. This is one type of invention only. That's why this is a technological change. Next. Second one. Use of spinning wheel. Use of spinning wheel. Use of spinning wheel. Where they have used it? In weaving. For weaving clothes, they have invented this. This is also a technological change. Next, use of firearms. Use of firearms in battlefield. Use of firearms in battlefield. So, these were the three technological changes, children. What is that? Use of Persian wheel in irrigation, and use of spinning wheel in weaving, and use of firearms in battlefield. So, these are the three technological changes during that period. Next, fifth question. What were some of the major religious developments during this period? Here, technological changes they have asked. Now, in the fifth question, they were asking about religious developments. Religious wise, what were the developments? Religious developments. Let's see. Okay. Next, some of the major religious developments during this period were as follows. First one, people started worship of new deities. People started worship of new deities. Worship of new deities. So, this was the first development, worship of new deities. Next, rulers helped in the construction of temples. Second one is, rulers helped in construction of new temples. So, I have to pour ink, children, I am sorry. Rulers helped in the construction of temples. That is the second one. Next, importance of Brahmanas, the priest class grew. So, here during this period only, the importance of Brahmanas and the priest class, priests, that means they were priests, they were given importance. Their respect also improved. That means they became important people in the society. Next, Sanskrit became the language of learned Brahmanas and were patronized by emperors. So, Sanskrit was the language of learned Brahmanas and were patronized by emperors. Next, merchants and migrants brought Holy Quran with them. So, this Quran, the Holy Quran, they have brought, who brought? The merchants from outside, from the this west side, they brought this Holy Quran. That means the travelers who are the merchants who moves from one place to other, they brought this Holy Quran with them. Next, idea of bhakti emerged among all the people. Idea of bhakti emerged among all the people. All the people, they have this idea emerged in them. We have to pray to God. This bhakti movement, then only it raised in the people. So, these are the exercise questions, children. Remaining questions I will explain in the next video. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. Read these questions carefully. Okay, learn them. Bye.